Hello everyone, so today I'm gonna try this trending Maggi Korean. So let's try it. So I'm gonna add some water into pan or in kadhai. So here I'm adding, just ignore the mash. Then put the Maggi into boil water. Hope it stays good. So first add noodles into boiling water and then strain it after boiled, and then mix it all the flavors. Here the Korean masala and the Korean chili. Also all the steps mentioned here, so you can check it out. Super excited. Hope it's done. You can see the boil. I think this Maggi is very thick rather than simple Maggi. So I strain all the water from Maggi and I'm gonna add this masala. So you can see the color. It looks very spicy. And then I'm gonna add this masala. Just give me. Let's mix together. Mix it together. The smell is very weird. I don't know. Let's try. Anyone wants to try? So come. See the color change. Good. It tastes yummy. Must try. And very spicy.